And here is the all-new Juke. It is agile, compact, and here is the all-new Juke. Juke EV carries personality and emotion, showing that intelligence and character belong together. Always bold, always distinctive, and now fully electric. Skyline is a heartbeat model, a symbol of Japanese engineering. Second, we are concentrating development on 3 product families.
It's time and accessible to a larger audience. We dare to create products with character and purpose, designed to grow smarter and more intuitive over time. And built with this promise also define who we design for. People who believe tomorrow can be better than today. Optimistic people. And brand strengths where Nissan has the greatest scale and relevance. Second, they create competitiveness for the rest of the world, providing product, technology, and industrial. Expand SUV model with Kicks e-Power and Murano. For 2028, we will introduce an efficiently developed compact car series to close portfolio gaps. But this is not only. We will further reinforce leadership in capability-driven SUVs with V6 hybrid powered body on frame models, including the return of Xterra as part of the new US-produced frame family. In Japan's role as the benchmark for the company. With models like Pathfinder up 45% or Frontier up 48%. SUV leadership is the backbone of our strategy.
Next week, you will hear more as we have the pleasure to have Auto China in Beijing, leveraging capabilities from the lead markets and our partnership strategy. To start, Europe.
Growth, even if the market is tough and declining.
As 30 months. These gains are sustainable because they are built into the system. The same discipline applies to sourcing. By concentrating volume within product families, we services to enhance Nissan's core capabilities. In product and industrial cooperation, we work improving value-creating ways. This includes continued projects with our long-standing alliance partners and also with our joint venture partner in China. With Renault, we have launched the new Micra in Europe and Graphite in India in FY25. In Japan, we are working with municipalities and transportation operators to deploy mobility services in real-world environments, easier to live with and stronger over time. Nissan remains our priority this year because strong fundamentals are what makes great experiences credible and consistent. Our vision adds a clear path and speed into the process from the start. Standardized architectures, from FY28, we will deliver our new frame family in the United States and a compact family in Japan following this foundation. Nissan remains our priority this year because strong fundamentals are what makes great experiences credible and consistent. Our vision adds a clear path and purpose that brings those fundamentals to life. Technology is felt rather than explained, and Nissan delivers what it stands for. Mobility intelligence for everyday life. Thank you very much.